The Suzuki Jimny is one of the most anticipated SUV in India. The fourth generation Suzuki Jimny made its India debut at Auto Expo 2020 in February. Ever since, the Indian fans of the Maruti Gypsy have always been anticipating the launch of the Jimny. For those of you who don't know that, Gypsy is the second generation Jimny. The latest reports state that Maruti has started the trial production of the new Jimny at its Gurugram facility. The 3-door variant has been seen testing on Indian road. That said, Jimny is under consideration for launch in India, but more likely in a 5-door version. This is done in order to appeal the local Indian buyer. However, the commercial success of the new Mahindra Thar, which comes in a 3-door offering, might cause Maruti to reconsider and may plan to offer both 5-door and 3-door models in India. A test mule of a lengthened Jimny was caught testing in Europe recently. Jimny 5-door will be placed in sub 4 meter category. The 5-door version will have a 300mm longer wheelbase than 3-door Jimny. Here is a comparison of dimensions between the 5-door and the 3-door Jimny. Coming to exterior design, the Jimny comes with its iconic round LED headlamps with washers. Yes, the washers are standard for Jimny headlamps, allowing confident driving in mud, dirt or snow. The angled bumpers are optimized to increase clearance at the wheels for assured climbing over obstacles. Their molded black material safeguards the body from stone chips and scratches. Many design elements were inherited from the past Jimny model, such as the simple round headlamps and independent indicators, the front grille with vertical openings, the clamshell bonnet and the rear combination lamps gathered at rear bumper. For driving experience, the rigid ladder frame produces a strong foundation for serious off-roading performance. The hill hold control prevents backwards rolling while moving up a hill and controls acceleration. The hill descent control automatically applies brake with a single button to apply a brake and maintain a fixed speed while driving down an inclined slope. The brake LSD traction control feature provides automatic brake to the wheels on a slippery surface and redistributes torque on the other two wheels. As far as interior goes, there will be little to distract you from driving. Jimny comes with stylish black interiors which is humble yet handsome, and controls are designed for quick and easy operation even when wearing gloves. The dashboard is well equipped and comes with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, climate control and cruise control. The Jimny 5-door will come with a 1.5-litre K15B petrol engine that will develop around 102 horsepower and 138 Nm torque. This is the same engine that also powers the Vitara Brezza, Ciaz and the Ertiga and may come equipped with Maruti Smart Hybrid fuel-saving technology. Gearbox options will include a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission. While the global spec Jimny gets 4x4 as standard, the India spec model will also offer a 4x2 powertrain as the affordable option. The Jimny will likely be offered through the Nexa, and could be priced from around 10 lakh rupees. The off-roader could get the Gypsy badge and take on the likes of the Mahindra Thar and the upcoming BS6 Force Gurkha. According to sources, the 5-door Jimny is expected to launch sometime by end of 2021 or early next year. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel.